All right, job seekers, listen up. Today, I'm going to explain how to make job hunting a breeze using Google Alerts. Trust me, this is a game changer. Step 1, head over to Google Alerts. Just type it into your search bar and click on the first link. Easy, right? So, what you'll see is a simple search bar. Here's where the magic happens. Type in the job title you're looking for. Let's say marketing manager jobs. Be as specific as you want. If you're looking for something in New York, add New York to your search. If you are looking for 100K plus salary, add 100K plus salary. Next, click on Show Options. This is super important. You can choose how often you get alerts. Maybe once a day or as it happens. I recommend at most once a day so you're not overwhelmed. Now, select your sources. I stick with automatic because it covers news, blogs, and web, but you can customize it. Language and region, set it to your preference. I choose English and United States. Before you hit that Create Alert button, make sure you're signed into your Google account. This way, you can manage and refine your alerts anytime. Once you're all set, click Create Alert. Boom. Now you've got a smart assistant scanning the web for job posts that match your criteria. Now, here's the best part. Whenever a new job is posted that fits your search, you'll get an email. You're essentially automating your job hunt, freeing up more time to polish your resume or prep for interviews. So, there you go. Set up your Google Alerts today and take the stress out of job hunting. You've got this. Happy job searching.